Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for March 3rd, 2020. Another crazy day. Another crazy day in the markets. Let's take a quick look at the final numbers. We opened, we opened higher this morning. As you know, there was that emergency G7 meeting with Fed Chairman Jerome Powell, Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin, along with representatives from the other G7 nations, and they came out to say that, they'll do whatever it takes to help the economy, but they had no specific action at that time. Markets open. Once equity started to roll over, the Fed came out with a 50 basis point rate cut that helped the markets for a few minutes, but then completely failed. And by the end of the session, the Dow was lower by 785 points. A rollover here once again. The S&P 500 down 86 points, or almost 3%. The NASDAQ down 268 points. And the Russell 2000 giving back 32 points today. The bond market spiked again. And the yield on the 10-year note, and this is important, actually hit a low of 0.9% at one point. Finished the day at 1%, but a drastic move there. The 30-year also hit a low of 1.6. We've never seen those numbers before. The crude oil up 43 cents or 0.9%, while gold had a great day today, up $42 or 2.6%, and looks ready to move on to new highs. You look at the dollar, and after those rate cuts, just fell apart some more. Now, after market close, Nordstrom came out with earnings. They missed, and they're getting beat up pretty good after hours here. Let me just get you the final number here. Give me 1 second. I'm looking on another monitor just to confirm the number. Yes, they are down over 7% right now, and after hours down another $2.50. So look for more selling tomorrow. Now, tonight is the Super Tuesday, and keep an eye on the voting results, because a Bernie Sanders majority there could cause a sell-off tomorrow. On the flip side, if Biden wins out tonight, we could see a rally. Okay, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.